Hello children and welcome to our lesson. This unit we are going to be covering a live unit which is a chat show challenge. Our unit overview is that by the end we will be able to draw inferences and justify evidence, participate in discussions, presentations, performances, role play, improvisations, and debates. Also, consider and evaluate different points of view, articulate and justify answers. For today's lesson, these are our objectives. By the end of the lesson, I will be expecting you to be able to ask and answer questions, support your point of view with facts and evidence, and also state your opinions. Lastly, you should be able to present your ideas to an audience. Now, to introduce us to our lesson today, we're going to watch this video. Well, imagine, just close your eyes and imagine that it is not a dream. That was you having a presentation in front of many people and cameras were rolling. Everybody looking at you. They're asking you questions and you answered them. Everything came out brilliant. And you're asking, how did you manage to do all this? Well, it is because you prepared very well. And today we are going to learn how to prepare to get ready for an audience with a presentation to answer questions that we already know. How will we do that? First, we need to know what opinions are. Like we said before, we will be supporting our answers with opinions. Now, an opinion is what you feel, think, or believe about something. And this opinion will help you to make a choice or help other people to make a choice. For example, I could ask you, what is your favorite food? Maybe you're going to tell me hamburgers. Well, that will not be the end of it. You will need to explain to me why you like that particular food. Give me more reasons to support your opinion on why you think you like that food, so that maybe after you finish explaining to me, I might like it too. Which words can we use to support our ideas? We have an example here. We could use this to start our sentences. For example, I prefer coffee to tea. Well, maybe for you, you prefer milk to coffee because you're still young. Another one is, I think that it is a good idea to go to school other than stay at home the whole day. Well, but for this season, we do not have a choice but to stay at home. We will understand the reason why, but very soon we will be able to go back to school. Another one could be, I know that it is a very good idea to read more books because the more books you read, the smarter you become. You could use more there as we have many examples. And then we need to know, how to organize all those ideas together. Here is our organizer. We have the title of what we are writing about here, like what is the question? Then, what is your opinion? And that will be the topic sentence, like we have seen before when we learned about how to write paragraphs. Then list all the reasons why you are supporting that opinion. You could have one or two or three or more reasons and evidence to support that answer. And then remember to conclude. Let us see a good example of that. Here is a title. The question is, what is your favorite ice cream? The opinion is, I think mint chocolate chip is the very best. What is the reason for that? It is the best because it has chocolate chips in it. That is reason number one. Reason number two, I like it because it is crunchy in my mouth. And for me, I would add, and I like all the crunchy things in this world. Reason number three, I think it is very soft and yummy. Do you like yummy food or you don't? Then finally, restate your opinion or conclude by saying the very best ice cream is mint chocolate chip. Now, I am moving faster because we do not have a lot of time. What do we need to remember? We need to remember Oreo. Oreo, not the biscuits that you like eating, but Oreo that stands for state your opinion clearly. What is it that you think or believe? Tell the reason your opinion for that opinion. That, that's for R. Then E, give an example to support your opinion. Then lastly for O, restate your opinion. The more reasons and examples you give, the stronger your writing is going to be. So please remember to give very strong reasons for your opinion. Then remember the keywords to start your sentences. Do we get it? If we got it, then we are good to go. Here is our assignment for today. Question: what is the most amazing thing that we need to know about you? Very good question, because I would like to know very many things about you. Please write following the procedure explained and send it on Class Dojo. Remember your handwriting and be creative with ideas. We have learned this before, and edit your work before you send it. Please, this time round, I would like to see all of you posting your work on Class Dojo. I really need to see if you understand, and I wish you all the best.